Welcome to the how-to of the buffer box. I'm gonna explain you how to set it up. So you have the outer box already taped from the bottom. You're gonna set up first the bottom insert. I'm gonna show you now how to put on the sides. So you start with this one. But you see here, the side is just one piece too long. So what you do is you have all rib lines between the colors. So what you can do is just to take one piece off. It's really easy. Crack it like this and you can rip it apart. Then the other one. When you have a higher pot, you can put two on each other. Then we're gonna put down the ceramic pot. I'm gonna show you how. Just take it up and slowly put it in. So this is the setup. You put now the bottom, the sides, and everything looks okay. What's gonna happen, I'm gonna get the top, I'm gonna push it down, what creates the buffer on the side. So this will push down and this will all form on all the sides. So it's quite easy. I'm gonna show you how. The top and push. So now it's done. Set up and you can close it. So just close the sides and make sure you tape it. So it's done. Thank you.